imagine my surprise when I'm filming a video and then I get this. What is this? A box. It's the Big Book box, January box, which I'm going to unbox in this video. Hi guys, I'm Manpreet and I make book related videos on this channel. If you like books, make sure you subscribe and turn that bell notification button on so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So in this video, I'm just going to do this unboxing. It's totally unplanned because I just got this. I had to shoot some other video, but then I was like, let's open this up. Yeah, I have a butter knife in my hand to open this up. So while I'm opening this, I would like to tell you that I have done one unboxing before of the same box and I'll link it down below or up there. You can check it out. And this one was the one which I ordered on December 23. And today is February 25. So if you're ordering this box, please keep that in mind that it will take a long time to deliver. I did ping the Instagram page of this box and I asked them why the delay. They're like, we have a cycle from 21 to 21. So if you order after 21, like you ordered after 21 December, so you will get the January box. And we shipped the January box in the second week of Feb. Or the first week, I think they said. Like the tier 1 cities first week of Feb and tier 2 and 3 second week of Feb. And you ultimately like will get the January box by the end of the February. I don't know if other people would mind that or not, but I really do mind. So, here's the box. The packaging is the same as the last time, the Big Book box. It's taped here. I like the packaging once again. I really love the box they sent because it's a really sturdy and nice box. And yeah, last time I made this unboxing video, I was way too excited and all the people were like, why are you behaving like a kid? But this time I'm just not excited. So, I think I just want to say that haters, it's not because of you. It's just because I'm not that excited about this box. I had to wait for like years in my time. First, I have this card. It says Tale as Old as Time, and I really like the art on this card. Okay, so this time, I feel like I'm just gonna praise myself. I feel like they took my suggestion. It's truly not true. But I feel like, yeah, this last time I said that, it was not mentioned on the back of the card what objects were in the box. So it was bad. And this time it is mentioned. So, hello people. Before you read ahead, let me tell you that this letter is laced with spoilers. So go ahead and unbox before you read beyond this. Okay, please. Let me just unbox it first. So I have this box looking like this. A lot of paper inside and paper has words on it, which I really like. Oh my god, I love this thing, guys. I am already happy. So first I have 3 button pins. Well, if you look at them very closely, they do seem adorable, but I honestly do not like the color combination and all. Too bland for me. I really like buttons, but these are not the ones I'm really proud to have right now, so dislike for this one. Next I have a calendar. Last time I tried to guess where the items are from and I could not guess them, but this time, yeah, Harry Potter dude, Harry Potter. Hermione, no, this is Luna Lovegood, Snape, Dumbledore, and all these Harry Potter characters are there. Hagrid! I really like this calendar and I totally needed a calendar, so this one is a big thumbs up. Next again, I have a bookmark and I am pretty sure it's inspired from Harry Potter. Like it says Weasley's on it. Yes, inspired from Harry Potter. And I really like the bookmark, even the quality, so big thumbs up for this one as well. Next, I have this art piece, which is something I really like. It's really good, guys. I really like this one. So, yeah, this one is also really good. On the back, it says Hakuna Matata, but I love this one. I'm going to have it somewhere in my room. Now, I have these cute little tins. Can anybody please tell me where to get these tins from? Because I really want them for making candles. Okay, it opens like this, okay? And it has tea inside. Let's smell it. Smell it. It smells so good. What kind of tea is it? Tea party with bell, flour and tea blend, nuts and fruits. It does have nuts in it. So I'm really excited about this one as well. A big thumbs up to this one as well. Last time what happened was I really want to try different boxes. But this one was so good. I was like, I want the same one. Country, you cannot be buying the same box and doing the same box unboxing all the time. Good bubble wrap packaging. I really like this fact about them. Do you guys know that I bought candles from somebody and that person didn't even think of properly bubble wrapping the stuff? Follow me on my Instagram if you're thinking why you don't know about that. Oh my god! Like I really love it. It says my TBR jar. Good! I really wanted something like that because I'll link a video down below. Catty-tastic. She made a video about my TBR jar thing, like a tag or something, like a video which I really loved when I started BookTube, and oh my god, a big thumbs up for this one as well. Bringing this one. So this should be a candle. Please be a candle. Good packaging, guys. Good packaging. Now this is a candle. Wildflowers, vanilla bean and sage, vegan soy candles for book lovers, hand poured. Oh my god, this smells so good, guys. Wildflowers, vanilla bean. Where did you get this scent from? Very long wick. It should have been cut, and this should be like total full. But I'm still very happy about it. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. This is amazing. Next, I have this cute packaging. Let's see what is it a pendant? But first of all, this bag is cool. What is this? Nikal ja yaar. 5 minutes later, still trying to open this timepiece. I just read that it has been specially, exclusively designed for this by Medieval India. And they just wanted you to have the War and Peace vibe. But please open yaar. This is the solid proof of how stupid I can be. I was just like doing this like for 10 minutes and then I click and it opens. Just like it opens anywhere else. And it's actually a really cute timepiece, guys. This is so cool. I think I'm down to the last few things that are in this box. And let me just tell you, last time I forgot to mention, I bought the espresso box. If I'm sure, I'll link it in the description, okay? Description will confirm it. But it's for $15.99. I got a little bit of discount. So the books that I got in this box are these two, like hardcovers. And last time I got the box and I was really, really happy with the books. They were paperbacks, but really thick paperbacks. And this time I got these two things. Number one book is The Girl in the Tower by Catherine Arden. So what this book says is that it's a magical tale which would be loved by the fans of the Night Circus as well as Neil Gaiman books. So I am getting really good vibe from it, plus hardcover, guys. I'm really happy about this one book. Let's see the next one, which is this. It's How to Stop Time by Matt Haig, Sunday Times bestseller. It's an illustrated edition. This guy has a dangerous secret. He looks like an ordinary 41-year-old, but owing to a rare condition, he's been alive for centuries. Oh my god, cool. From Elizabeth, England to Jazz Age Paris, from New York to the South Seas, Tom has seen a lot and now craves an ordinary life. So How to Stop Time is a wild and bittersweet story about losing and finding yourself, about the certainty of change, and about how lifetimes it can take to learn how to live. Seems really interesting. Let's see the illustrations. Okay, there are not many illustrations, but some illustrations are like awesome. Just see. So simple and so nice. Okay, I really like it. So yes, I think that's it that I have in the box. Okay guys, that's it. That's the end of this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I love this box. Like, there are so many things. I am so waiting to just take some Instagram pictures first and then just stare at them and be happy about them because I really like them. Really happy about this box once again, although I am not at all happy about how much time it takes because I don't know, guys. I have tried beauty subscription boxes in India and that's like, if you order a box in January, they send it to you in January and at max you get it on like first or second day of the next month, but not later than that. But these Indian book subscription boxes, why are they taking so much of time? Like, I'm really curious about that. I really hope they fix it. And moreover, it's like, now I unbox this box, right? What's the point? Like, their unboxing videos make a lot of people buy it. I remember when I started this channel, it was not a booktube channel. And I used to unbox these beauty subscription boxes and people used to buy after I unboxed them just to see what they saw. But that is just not possible with the Indian book subscription boxes right now. But I'm hopeful that somehow it will get better. But what do you guys think about it? Do you also feel the same about this? Have you tried some other subscription boxes which I'm talking about, which ship the same box in the same month? Let me know in the comments down below. This is the end of this unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Manfi signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon, guys.